everyone, it's Robin. I'm here with Guru and we're going to do a really pretty summer floral. This is called, Is That a Spear in Your Pocket? Wow, it's a teal. And then on my little palette I have green, white, and then there's under here there's a neon pink under there. And then a neon yellow, and I made it into a light pink with white here. And I didn't use that, but a darker blue. So I'm starting in with a darker blue, and just now, it's very hot today, so I have to wet my paints more than normal. And they dry very, very fast when it's hot. But you go in, and with the darker blue on the teal, I'm just washing over here and there, and I'm going back and forth with my brush and making quick strokes of blue, and that just gives this teal dimension, so it just looks like more than one color. And that's all I want it for, is just to give more color to that teal, because it's a real flat teal.
Like depth?
Yeah, you can look into. Okay, so let me go in here. Okay, so now I'm working with this pink and this yellow and this white, pink, yellow, and white onto a really, really beautiful bright peach. Now with my brush, I'm going to roll it and pull, roll and pull, push, 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 pull, roll, push and pull, push and pull. Okay, and I'm just going to have a 4-pronged flower that's oversized on this. This is just the base of this color, but the colors, I want them to be extraordinarily big and really bright, big, and just blooming. And so I'm going to roll and pull. See that? That's a big, big petal for such a tiny nail. And these nails are very tiny. I laughed. I was doing editing and I was just looking at everybody's hands, and I'm like, I don't have one model that has big, big nails, do I, Kathy? I mean,
nope.
Guru.
Nope.
Crazy. Like, we need one big nail model, so when you can see a real big flower, you'll know it.
What's your hand back there you could use?
Yeah, she doesn't even have a big hand. She has medium. They're long fingers, but the hand, the fingernails themselves aren't that big. And plus, everybody freaks out about it because it's kind of weird on film. It looks scary. Well, also, you feel dumb when you have nobody here, and like, I have nobody here, and just got this weird hand, and I'm talking to it. And over time, like, it starts to get to me. I can't do it. I'm like, why am I here?
They're coming to take her away,
It's true too. Like after a minute, like sometimes I'll get like an idea and it's 10, 11 o'clock at night, and so I have to do it on her, and that's fine. But you're sitting there talking, and all of a sudden you just start laughing, and you have to pause because it's funny. Anyways, this is the basic idea. I'm just gonna do this big grand flower. Okay. Now on this one, this hand is what it's done. It's all done. You got such a tan compared to me. I'll fix that. It's not that she's not so tan. It's
my husband says it's my little yellow hide.
Oh, you are so yellow. That's why
olive.
That's why you're olive. That's why that yellow looks so great on you. Like, who looks great and bright?
Color.
I mean, I know that. I know. So okay, so this is just a neon pink, but do you see how it's translucent? So it totally goes on top of there so nicely. And brightens it up. Okay, now it's really too hot for that, so look at that, how much.
Too hot in Florence, Oregon.
Oh,
that's something else.
No kidding. It really is hot today.
Mother Nature's loving on us.
Yeah, it's true. So, okay, so here we go. So this is the pink going on, and I'm just taking the top, doing the bright pink, and pulling it to the middle of the leaf. And for you guys, this is a new brush. It's the first one I've opened in 3 years, and the bristles are longer. I wore down the bristles on the old one that I've been using for 3 years. And it was so funny because I didn't know I wore down bristles because I had always cut my own brushes, and then when I made my own brushes, you don't pay attention, you know, like I'm just trying to do the best work I can. And then I was like, this brush is like getting old, and so I tried a new one, and it seemed so long, and I'm like, my goodness. So I cut it, cut the magic hair off, and it still seemed long. And it took 2 full days for me to get used to the new brush. But I was like, at first I was like, this brush is not the same, but I looked at all of them and they all look the same, and I was like, okay. So now it's just I gotta break this one in.
What are the bristles made of?
Sable.
Oh.
But I didn't realize just all the painting just takes little tiny microscopic length off of each one. I don't know. And all the cleaning and all of the, you know. But I don't separate brushes or ruin them like I used to, but now I wear them out different ways. So I guess all the times I tell you to hold it like this, hold it like this, hold it like this, I guess it makes the bristles shorter over time. Who knew? I learn all the time. So right now I'm on the struggle bus of learning a new brush, but I used to do that twice a month. I'd go through brushes, the dollar ones. So I guess in the long run these are way cheaper. Right on. Hey,
Yes.
there's a plug. I didn't mean to.
Save money by Robin.
Yeah, that's a plug that I didn't mean to do. It just led me right to, well, that's good.
Yeah.
Good for me. So there's that. And then what you hear are my beads because it's windy as heck on top of being hot and windy. Okay,
Sounds
so
like
now
Vegas.
I'm going to go into the centers with a navy. Go into the centers with the navy, the same navy that I did the different levels on with. Then with that, I'm going to take that really nice pink white one in the center and really carefully dot the centers in.
Oh man,
and just create this really beautiful flat art.
that is the artist at work.
Isn't that cute? I love it.
Yeah.
It's gonna look like little buttons when I'm done. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this and I'll meet you back. But if you notice, after I'm done, I'm also gonna take just a little tiny bit of this dark color and just kind of go into some of these mid areas just to pop the color a little bit more. See how that pops it? That's what I'm gonna do. So just pop the color using the dark color, and that's why I wanted to go in with the extra dimensions, so I can really go in there and pop these and fix any areas that aren't. Bam. Okay, meet you back when they're done. Oops. Okay, so here is the end result. I'm gonna just hit in real quick because she's in a hurry. So I top coated with a matte top coat, and you can even see that it's not dry yet. That's how fast we have to go. So here's the thumbs for you guys. You can get brushes at robinmosesnailart.com. Hashtag me, inspired by Robin Moses, or Robin Moses taught me, hashtag Robin Moses taught me, if you try them, so I can see, and also so that you can give credit, and I'll see you back with more. Bye.